Welcome back to Adventure Tech. I got a super awesome battery. This is one of the coolest batteries that LiTime has dropped. This is a 320 amp hour 12 volt battery and it's 31% smaller. That's insane. These batteries were already pretty small and this is really good price, 27% off. So I wanted to bring it to your attention. Plus we got the promo code Adventure Tech to drop the price even more. Feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over to this page. Get that deal and help support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else that's curious about this brand new battery from LiTime, stick around. We're going to be going over all the details right now. This is ultra compact and very travel ready. Shrink your battery space, not your adventure. The LiTime 12 volt 320 amp hour mini delivers massive power in a compact, streamlined form, ideal for RVs and off-grid explorers who need high energy without that extra bulk. Plus, it's a lot lighter than lead acid. We're talking about 55% lighter than 300 amp 12 volt lead acid batteries, and this gives you 20 amp hours more than that. Pretty cool. You got mini size, but you still got maximum energy. It's got class leading 221.7 watt hour per liter energy density. That is super high. These mini packs deliver more power and less space, perfect for lightweight or small size builds like RVs and mobile setups. You got 31% smaller than other batteries, plus you got smart Bluetooth 5.0 you can control it with, and that self-developed BMS from LiTime. It gives you 200 amps of protection, low temp cutoff, things like that, and you can create massive portable power battery banks using this battery. You got smart control anywhere you go with that smart Bluetooth 5.0 control. You can check battery status, track state of charge, manage your power system right from your phone. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.0 and the LiTime app makes everything convenient. And this is a seriously large battery, so that means you can get seriously large output on this. Self-developed 200 amp BMS gives you continuous output of 2,560 watts out of a 12 volt battery. That is a lot. Especially people are trying to run these 2,000 watt inverters and things like that with their 12 volt systems, only to find that their batteries can't put out that much. You need something bigger like this. This is built for high demand use without that compromise of having these 12 volt systems. And this is cold proof and heat ready. Ready for all seasons, -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a huge temperature variant. It can handle a lot of temperatures and it's got low temperature cutoff protection. It's gonna keep it protected if you go beyond that. And this is one battery. Check out the difference between lead acid and LFP. You got 100 and almost 200 pounds to try to match this with lead acid when this is only 57 pounds. And you get 4,000 life cycles out of this. That's over 10 years if you use this every single day, charging and discharging it completely. And that's over 4,000 watt hours. Go back to the lead acid battery, you got 50% discharge rate at, 500 cycles if you're lucky. This is only gonna last a year or two. And it's only gonna give you about 1,800 watt output. While your 12 volt 320 amp hour battery can handle a lot more than that. Plus, lead acid batteries have no built-in protections, no convenient Bluetooth monitoring. You get all that with the LFP batteries from LiTime. So this is reliable. You can actually build up to 65.5 kilowatt hour home energy walls with this. 4 parallel 4 series expansion. It could jump it up to 48 volts. 1,280 amp hours. That's a lot of power. You can run 48 volt solar inverter chargers with this. So the price is insanely low right now. It's almost 30% off. Plus you can use our promo code AdventureTech to get it dropped down a little bit more for you. Use the links in the comments or the description if you want to check this out for yourself. Everybody else, you can subscribe completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Most importantly, click that bell icon. You'll be one of the first people to get over here to these brand new products and limited deals.